to my channel. Here is another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about monitoring and troubleshooting. At first, I'll make a video only about monitoring. First, we'll discuss about monitoring. What is monitoring? Actually, monitoring is the context of periodic process of observing, collecting, and analyzing data from systems, applications, networks, or infrastructure to assess their performance, health, and security. The goal is to ensure systems operate as expected, detect anomalies, and prevent issues before they escalate. The importance of monitoring in AWS is we can predict the performance optimization, reliability, cost management, security, compliance. We'll discuss in upcoming slides. The main key objectives of monitoring is performance optimization, uptime and availability, security. What is performance optimization? Identifying bottlenecks or underutilized resources to improve efficiency. Suppose if you ensure a system it is running efficiently by tracking metrics like CPU usage, memory, disk input and output, and response times. Uptime and availability. Verify that services, applications, or websites are accessible to users. What is the security? The main security feature in this is identifying suspicious activities or unauthorized access. The capacity planning, proactive issue detection, compliance. The compliance is ensuring system meets regulatory or organizational standards. This helps for AWS developer exam, which emphasizes the practical knowledge of monitoring tools and their integration with AWS services like EC2, Lambda, S3, and RDS. Other factors may include in this. The main key things or key components of monitoring are metric collection, data sources. What is metrics? Logs, events, alarms, dashboards, insights, synthetics, contributor insights. There's so many things in the metric collection. We'll discuss about quantitative metrics, qualitative metrics. The numeric data like CPU utilization, memory usage, network latency, or request rates. Qualitative metrics, which logs error messages or system states. For example, running or failed comes under quality metrics. Response time of an API, database query performance, or server uptime. The data sources, infrastructures, applications, networks. The main use cases of metrics and data sources. The monitor It monitor EC2 instance CPU usage and set alarms for high utilization. It collect and analyze Lambda function logs for errors. What are the monitoring types? Real-time monitoring, historical monitoring, proactive monitoring, synthetic monitoring, log monitoring, which can also covered in the AWS CloudTrail. Key performances indicators: availability, latency, error rates, throughput, resource utilization. These are the key performance indicators. Yep. As we discussed, these are the monitoring tools, infrastructure monitoring, application performance, log management, cloud monitoring, network monitoring, synthetic monitoring. The best practices for monitoring are if we define clear objectives, it focus on metrics that align with business goals, for example, user experience, revenue, critical systems. If we set thresholds and alerts, it configure alerts for critical threshold. If we use dashboards, it visualizes the metrics in real time for quick insights. And if at all we come to AWS Health Dashboard for monitoring, the AWS Health Dashboard provides personalized alerts about AWS service disruptions or schedule maintenance that affect your resources. The resources of monitoring are EC2, Lambda, S3, RDS, DynamoDB, API Gateway. There are many things to included in the resources. That's it about the monitoring, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. In upcoming video, I'll update you about troubleshooting. We'll make another video on that. Keep updated.